do.
From Vietnam and Cambodia the same?
Depends.
Depends. Four color of pepper.
For
You
colors.
understand? Right. So baby green here, the little one turn to dark green. You can see.
Yeah.
We pick up dark green to make black pepper. You understand? Yeah, here. So all this we have three types of pepper, and the green, and the red, and the yellow, and this one black pepper. Finally, we use for black here. Three types for dry pepper, and the baby one here we make salted and salt fermented pepper. Like green pepper, you eat with crab, you eat with seafood. We use the baby pepper here. You understand?
So 4 type of pepper on my hand now.
Yeah, four
So
types.
This one is the white.
White.
And you get that from red peppercorns?
No, from yellow
Yellow.
berry
From yellow.
or brown berry, or they make color berry, or malati color berry, or dark berry. That's something like this. We cannot make where red.
So
You can stupid way. This one very good way to grow pepper. We buy wood, right? Like Vietnam also the same wood. Don't go too far, maybe snake.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Look at that. Don't go too far. I like everything. Không thì on stack on. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, okay.
Don't touch.
They do crusade, they do dessert.